Hello friends, today I am going to show you what is the difference between the add queue item activity and the add transaction item activity. So it's a very frequently asked question, what is the difference between the add queue item activity and the add transaction item activity. So let's start with the add queue item activity. So I'll show you this add queue item activity. Let me create a queue. I am creating a queue with default configuration, let's say with the name as test, unique reference no, and the auto retry 1. So in this case I've created a queue with the name as test. The priority, so just keep in mind what is the priority in this case. By default the priority is normal add queue item, and I am passing two attributes to a transaction, which is number one, product name, which is laptop, and the price, which is 2000. And I'll probably show you, I'll run it and show you. So what will this do? It will add a transaction into the queue with the status as new, and will show you also. I've put a message box. Then get transaction item is the next activity, uh, which would be useful, uh, which is fetching the transaction from the queue. So this will change the status of the transaction in the queue to in progress, and I'll show you that. And then we have set transaction status, will be marking this item as successful in the end. So you can see transaction status would be successful. And so let me run and show you this. So we should probably see transaction added. View, I clicked on view transactions. You can see there is a transaction which is been added with the status is new and the priority is normal. Just pay heed to these two things as of now, and I'll show you the details, which is product name is laptop, the price is 2000. So you can see the transaction status is currently new after the activity add queue item. Now once I click OK, it will be executing the get transaction item activity. So it has executed the get transaction item activity. This would have changed the status to in progress for a transaction. Let me just refresh it. It has changed it to in progress. So let me click OK on the message box. You can see the process is completed, and it has written what is this laptop, and I'm just logging it, and it would have marked the transaction as successful. So let me show you that. Let me just refresh it. It's been marked as successful. So this is when this is the whole what do you call, a whole process when we are doing when we are using add queue item activity. So now let me move to the another, which is add transaction item activity. So let me show you the, so here I am passing the queue name, uh, and the attributes, I have kept the attribute product name, price, which is TV, and the price is 1000, and outputting transaction item, which would be the queue item variable of data type. You can see it's of queue item, and I'll show you what is the difference. Let me run through it. So you can see directly when we were doing add queue item, when we were using add queue item activity, it was putting with default priority, which was normal. It was adding the transaction into the queue with the priority as normal and the status as new. But using add transaction item activity, you would see the priority by default, the priority is added as high, and the status is, it's directly, rather than going into new, it has gone into in progress. So we were using get transaction item activity to change the status of the transaction from new to uh, in progress. Here we don't require that. So you can see what is the difference. It's directly adding the transaction with the status as in progress and priority as high. And now directly, so rather than we having next activity as get transaction item, which is not required in this case, because by default the transaction status is in progress, and you can then directly set transaction status as successful. So since it has completed, and I have logged the attributes also, you can see TV and 1000, and let me just refresh it. So you can see the status is successful, and the priority, since I told you priority would be high. So let me quickly recap the difference. So add transaction item will add a transaction into the queue uh, with the priority, with the default priority as normal, and status would be new, whereas add transaction item activity will by default the priority would be high and the status would be in progress. I hope you would have enjoyed the video. Please let me know your feedback in the comments section. Thank you so much for your time.